All right, welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I'd like to pose a question to everyone watching right now, no, not about the batteries, but what would you consider the most popular room in your house? Is it your living room, maybe a man cave, bedroom, or possibly the kitchen? I'm sure many of those answers is the kitchen, and it's where you probably spend a lot of time throughout the day. That's why functionality in the kitchen is so important today, and I heard he is a great chef, so I'm sure he knows a thing or two about kitchen remodels as well. Always a pleasure to have Mike Washington here from Ivy Lea Construction. What's your signature dish, Mike?
I'm a terrible cook. I'm sorry. I'm not a good chef at all.
Okay.
Honest as day is long.
All right, but what you're great at, along with your team, is remodeling kitchens.
We can fix kitchens, absolutely.
You can fix it. What should things people consider when they're remodeling their kitchen?
There's so many options today. You know, when you get into a kitchen, it really is the epicenter of a house. If you really, take this weekend and count up how many times you actually walk through your kitchen, if it's for food, if it's for gathering, if it's for doing the dishes, whatever you might be cooking, doing homework or studying for a test that might be coming up. Ultimately, you spend a lot of time in your kitchen. It's really the epicenter of a house. And so when we really go through and do a needs analysis, every house is a little bit different. And hey, what does this particular house, what does this consumer really need to make this a great kitchen for their life and their lifestyle?
Time not only spent in the kitchen now, but time spent in the house moving forward, is that factored in? Because needs are going to change as we grow older.
Absolutely. And it truly is an investment. When you go to remodel a kitchen, and we're going to, again, take it all the way down to the studs. We're going to inspect all the electrical, all new electric circuits, all new plumbing going in, and really do a full gut job on a kitchen. And yeah, you really want to think long term. It truly is an investment.
As we're seeing some of this before and after work done in kitchens that your team has done here. What's the first step of the process, Mike?
Yeah, the first step is to get us out to your house. We'll do a real quick needs analysis. We'll get you a budget for your whole kitchen project. Talk about what you're needing. Sometimes we need more space. We have to take down a wall. Sometimes we're trying to get a more open concept. Sometimes we're getting real high-end appliances because, hey, we do have a chef living in that home. Or more meeting space, or hey, do we need an island here, or do we need a peninsula here so we have more room for seating? So that's step one. Once we have that established, then we'll actually get you out to our showroom, go through and actually start picking out cabinets, flooring, countertops, backsplash tile. We'll also be working on a full electric plan and a full plumbing plan. So when we do get in there, that it can be as efficient as possible. You go into a kitchen, you take it down all the way to the studs. It's a big deal, and we want to do it right. You want to do it one time.
And sometimes, yeah, things are found when you take it down to the studs there. That's why you have the team. And the important part is it's the team.
Yeah.
Like it's Ivy Lea Construction doing everything.
Yeah, everyone's there to help, from our interior designer, Meg, to our sales associates, all the way to the foreman and the people on the job, our superintendent. Everyone is working in conjunction together with all the different manufacturers' products. You know, you go into a kitchen and there's tons of different manufacturer products. We need to make it all work seamlessly without having any problems. Countertops, and there's so many selections today between all the different types of cabinets, colors, finishes. Same with the countertops, floors, all sorts of different ideas.
And you're budget conscious, your team is, but you also have some great financing options.
Absolutely. We always have finance options. We have some 0% for 24 months right now. We also have some 4.99 for up to 144 months. Really great finance options. A lot of our clients are taking advantage of those right now.
All right. Ivy Lea Construction, the most trusted name in home improvement for your exterior, interior needs. To find out more about all the services they offer, including bathroom remodels, kitchen remodels, and enhancements, head over to their website at ivyleaconstruction.com. Give them a call, 875-8654. And again, some great financing options, too, on all those projects, too, what you see on your screen right now.